Welcome to my channel.
Today my topic about Shopify website design tutorial 2025 step by step. If you're planning to create an e-commerce store in 2025, Shopify remains one of the most powerful and user-friendly platforms. Whether you're an entrepreneur or an established business, designing a Shopify store requires some careful planning and execution. This tutorial will walk you through the process of creating a beautiful, functional Shopify store step by step. Why choose Shopify in 2025? Shopify continues to lead the e-commerce market in 2025 due to its flexibility, scalability, and ease of use. Whether you are a small business or a large enterprise, Shopify provides tools that meet your needs. Here's why Shopify stands out. Ease of use, no coding skills required, customizable themes, hundreds of themes available. Built-in SEO and marketing tools, boost your visibility and sales. Secure and reliable, Shopify handles hosting and security. Scalable, suitable for both small and large stores. Step 1. Create a Shopify account. 1. Sign up for Shopify. 1. Go to www.shopify.com and click Start Free Trial. 2. Enter your email, password, and store name. 3. Follow the prompts to set up your account. 2. Set up your store information. Enter your business information, including address, phone number, and product details. Select your store's currency and time zone. Pro tip: choose a unique store name that reflects your brand and resonates with your target audience. Step 2. Choose and customize a Shopify theme. Shopify offers both free and premium themes. The design of your website plays a crucial role in your store's success. Here's how to choose and customize a theme. 1. Select a theme. 1. In your Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store greater than Themes. 2. Browse the Shopify theme Store. 3. Choose a theme that fits your industry and style. Free themes, great for beginners. Premium themes, more advanced features and customization options. 2. Customize your theme. 1. Go to Online Store greater than Themes greater than Customize. 2. Use the drag and drop editor to modify your theme. 3. Customize the following elements. Header and navigation. Add your logo and create a clear menu. Header and navigation. Add your logo and create a clear menu. Color scheme and fonts. Match them with your brand identity. Product pages. Optimize the layout for product details, images, and reviews. Footer. Add contact information, social media links, and a newsletter sign-up form. Pro tip: use high-quality images and consistent branding across your site. Step 3. Add products. Adding products to your Shopify store is straightforward. Follow these steps. 1. Add a new product. 1. In your dashboard, go to Products greater than Add Product. 2. Fill in the product details. Title and description. Write a compelling description that highlights the products, features, and benefits. Images and videos. Use high-resolution images and videos. Price. Set the product price and compare a price for discounts. Inventory. Track stock levels. Shipping information. Enter weight and dimensions for shipping calculations. SEO. Optimize the product title and description for search engines. 2. Organize your products collection. Group related products into collections, for example, men's clothing, home decor. Tags. Add tags for easier filtering and search. Pro tip: use descriptive keywords in product titles and descriptions to improve SEO. Step 4. Set up payment and shipping. 1. Configure payment options. 1. Go to Settings greater than Payments. 2. Choose your payment gateway. Shopify offers several options. Shopify Payments Integrated supports credit cards. PayPal third-party providers, for example, Stripe, Square. 2. Set up shipping rates. 1. Go to Settings greater than Shipping and Delivery. 2. Configure shipping zones and rates based on your business model. Flat rates, ideal for simple pricing. Weight-based rates, calculate rates based on product weight. Real-time carrier rates, display live shipping rates from carriers like USPS, FedEx, and UPS. Pro tip: offer free shipping for orders above a certain amount to boost conversions. Step 5. Design pages and navigation. Your store needs more than just a home page. Create additional pages to build trust and provide essential information. 1. Create essential pages. 1. Go to online store greater than pages greater than add page. To create the following pages: About Us, share your brand, story. Contact Us, include a contact form and your business information. Facts, answer common customer questions, privacy policy and terms of service, build trust and comply with regulations. 2. Set up navigation. 1. Go to online store greater than navigation. 2. Customize your main menu and footer menu. 3. Add links to important pages and collections. Pro tip: keep your navigation simple and intuitive. Step 6. Optimize for mobile. In 2025, mobile commerce is more important than ever. Ensure your Shopify store is mobile-friendly. 1. Preview your store on mobile. 1. Use Shopify's built-in preview feature to check how your site looks on mobile devices. 2. Make adjustments to the layout if necessary. 2. Optimize images and speed. Compress images to reduce loading time. Avoid using heavy scripts that slow down your site. Use Shopify's built-in speed analysis tool. Step 7. Set up marketing and SEO. Driving traffic to your Shopify store is key to its success. Shopify offers various tools to help you market your store. 1. Optimize SEO. 1. Go to online store greater than preferences. 2. Add meta titles and descriptions for your homepage and other pages. 3. Use relevant keywords in your product descriptions and blog posts. 2. Set up social media integration. Link your social media accounts to your Shopify store. Use Shopify's marketing tools to run campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. 3. Create a blog. A blog helps you drive organic traffic and engage your audience. 1. Go to online store greater than blog posts greater than createblogpost.com. 2. Write about topics relevant to your industry and audience. 4. Email marketing. Use Shopify email to send promotional emails, newsletters, and abandoned cart reminders. Pro tip: build an email list and offer exclusive discounts to subscribers. Step 8. Test and launch your store. Before launching your Shopify store, test everything to ensure a seamless experience. 1. Test your store. Place a test order to check the checkout process. Test your website on different devices and browsers. Ensure all links and buttons work correctly. 2. Check legal requirements. Add your privacy policy, refund policy, and terms of service. Ensure your store complies with local laws and regulations. 3. Launch your store. 1. Go to online store greater than preferences and remove the password protection. 2. Share your store with the world. Update regularly. Add new products and update your blog frequently. Keep your site fresh and engaging. Conclusion: creating a Shopify store in 2025 is easier than ever, thanks to the platform's powerful features and user-friendly interface. By following this step-by-step guide, you can design a stunning online store that attracts customers and drives sales. Remember to keep your brand consistent, optimize for mobile, and focus on providing a great user experience. If you take your time to set everything up correctly, you'll be well on your way to e-commerce success. Happy selling!
Thanks for watching.